Now we're at step 5, which is shopping, which can be really fun, but it can be also quite daunting because there is a lot of material that needs to be purchased in a very short period of time. So we want to make sure that we have all our materials on site as soon as possible because one of the reasons why projects are stalled is not having materials on site. And with that said, we want to make sure that we have enough materials on site because the last thing you want is to be at the end of your project, you're scrambling for a few extra pieces of tile, and let's say they all of a sudden don't have it readily available, or what if, God forbid, it was discontinued. So make sure that you have enough materials available for your project. I'm very happy to offer you a curated list of places to shop for various materials throughout your renovation project. All you have to do is click on these links, and it'll take you directly to their site. Best part is, these are all folks who are online. You don't have to run around town shopping. You could just click, add to cart, and have it shipped directly to your door. I've also included some resale options because, as you're purging and you're downsizing, you want to sell some of the items. Then there's some trade referral sites here, house cleaning. If for some reason the PDF download doesn't allow you to access those links, you can scan this QR code and you'll get direct access to all of the links to these vendors. Here's a materials purchase checklist. I consider this a really great way to create your shopping list. You can itemize everything that you need to purchase, how much you need of it, who the vendor is, the order date, when you expect it to be delivered to you. This is also a great way for you to just keep track of everything. The paint sheen guide is going to be an amazing reference for you because so many times people are unaware of what sheen of paint to use in different spaces, and I have it outlined here for you. So this paint color chart is a lifesaver. You're going to be utilizing this over and over again in every single house. What this does is keep track of all the paint because people don't just use one color paint in the house, and so you're going to end up with cans and you're not going to know which room any of those cans belong to. So keep track of them, write down what space, what paint name it is, what the color code is, and what the sheen is so that you can easily reference this as needed when you're doing touch-ups, if you need to buy additional paint. And if you hand this over to your new homeowner, they're going to love you and you're going to look like a rock star.